In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently share files using Microsoft Teams. This guide will take you step by step through the process of selecting, uploading, and sharing documents with your team members, ensuring smooth and effective collaboration within your organization. Our starting point is to navigate back to the Microsoft Teams website and log into your account. It's important to make sure you're using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. If you encounter any problems, try resetting your password or contacting your IT department for assistance. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here you're going to focus on the left-hand side of the screen where you see several icons. Click on the chat icon. This is your go-to place for all direct and group conversations. It also provides a great starting point for any file sharing activity because it's likely that you're sharing documents with people you frequently interact with in your chats. Next, you want to focus on the Teams icon, which is conveniently located nearby. By clicking on this, you'll enter the area where all your teams and channels reside. This is an ideal spot for file sharing as it helps everyone within a specific team stay informed and up to date. Choose the team or channel most relevant to your file because it streamlines communication and keeps everything organized. With your team or channel open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see various tabs. Click on the Files tab. This is essentially your centralized storage for all shared documents. It's like having a community library where each team has its own dedicated section for resources. Here you can view and manage files that have been shared with the team, making it easier to keep track of project-related documents. To upload a new file, locate the Upload button. This function allows you to select documents from your computer and place them into the team's file storage. Once you click it, choose Files from the drop-down menu. This lets you browse through your computer's directories to find the specific document you wish to upload. Take your time and double-check that you've selected the correct file, as this reduces the likelihood of sharing incorrect documents. After selecting the file you want to upload, click on it to proceed. This action brings up the file in Teams, allowing you to ensure everything looks good before sharing. When you're ready to share the file with your team member, simply locate and click on the Share button. Microsoft Teams provides a user-friendly interface that prompts you to select the recipient from your contact list. Choose the member you want to share the file with, and you're done. By following these steps, you ensure that your document reaches the right person swiftly and securely, further promoting effective collaboration within your team.